Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to showcase how Power Automate can be used to extract and transform data from various Excel files, creating reports and dashboards for the end users. On my screen on the left, you can see the Power Automate interface and the flow which we have set up. And on the right, a sample Excel file, which is a monthly invoice report. Let's go ahead and see the actions which is set in the Power Automate. Now our first action is to run the flow on first day of every month. Get the Excel file from a OneDrive location, do data transformation on the data, put the transformed data into a new sheet, and we are using Power Automate to run a script on the transformed data, which will result in giving dashboards and insights based on the data. You can see this Excel file is having rows which missing invoices, and the columns like quantity and unit price is not yet formatted to the specific data types. We'll go ahead and see how the flow changes that. I'll test my flow here. Now for the demo purpose, we are testing that flow right now. You can see the flow is running and it has to go through all the steps in the specific flow. Now you can see within no time, your flow has run successfully, and we'll go ahead and see our Excel data, how it is transformed. You can see it has created two new worksheets. We'll go ahead and see the first worksheet, which is having the transformed data with the invoice numbers removed and the unit price and quantity columns transformed. It has also added a new column called line total, which is having the value which gets after multiplying quantity and unit price. There is a new worksheet which is created, which is having the dashboards based on the data. It will show the customer name and the total revenue made by that customer, and product name and the total sales made by that specific product.
Sysfore is a global technology consulting company helping customers in their digital transformation journey. We are a specialist Microsoft Gold partner on Azure, Dynamics 365, and Power Platform. Stay tuned for more customer videos, stories from Sysfore.